What's up YouTube? My name is Vinny and welcome to RoadBlastMedia. Today we're going to be doing a bit of a motovlog. I'm just going to be talking about the channel, what's been going on, and while I'm blasting this awesome back road, some of you will be familiar with this from my other videos, and I'm giving the little VTR a test run. Now this one's going to be a bit dodgy because I'm not too familiar with this bike. I've only had it like just over a week now, and yeah, so we're just gonna be giving this one a go, but it should be pretty fun. These little small CC bikes do really well on these kind of windy roads. This one's nice and light. It's obviously not as good handling as my RC390, but that's all good. So yeah, what's been going on? I like hearing from all you guys in the comments and things like that. The channel's been going really well. We're up to like 8,000 collective views. The Royal Enfield review is doing quite well. It's at like 4,000 views now, which I'm just shocked at, to be honest, because I only started doing this like, you know, just over a month ago now, and the numbers seem to be going really well. I've got like almost 100 subscribers. It's getting up like 72 or something. So yeah, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. I would really like to get to 100 in the next couple weeks or so, and just keep growing it from there, because I'm really enjoying this. I'm really enjoying engaging with the audience, you know, the motorbike community, and seeing what you guys have to say and what you like and dislike about what I'm doing, getting all the feedback. But yeah, so today we're just kind of a little bit of an introduction to RoadBlastMedia. If you're not familiar with it, my name is Vinny, and I love motorbikes a lot. I'm from New Zealand, and we have awesome roads like this. I've got access to 3 motorbikes at the moment, so a Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, my 2020 KTM RC390, and this beautiful little 2003 Honda VTR, which just sounds so cool, blasting it through these back roads and just revving it right out. God, I love these roads. But yeah, no, they're so fun. I'm actually so surprised by how well this bike handles too, because it's really wicked, you know. And the speed limit on this road is 100 kilometers an hour, so you really struggle to break the speed limit too going through these corners. But yeah, no, so it's been really great doing this channel, you know, hearing from friends and family and other riders who watch, especially the Royal Enfield fans. You guys really seem to be taking to it. It's a beautiful bike, and you know, so I understand why you guys are liking the videos, because I love that bike too, and you can see it in my face when I ride it and when I talk about it. But yeah, so no, it's going really well. I'm really happy with the engagement that you guys are giving too, because it's really cool actually seeing you guys like the videos and you know, comment to me and, you know, let me know what you like what I'm doing and stuff like that. It's really awesome. So yeah, this video, yeah, just a little welcome to RoadBlastMedia, just to see what we're all about. And this is it, man. We're about blasting these back roads out in New Zealand. Like, this one's just a short ride from my house as well. This one's great. I really like this one. Literally like a road legal racetrack, I tell you, because like you can really get these bikes hoofing, especially small CC. You just got to be careful you don't fly off any cliff or anything like that. Watch for gravel, watch for the old animal poo. There's usually the odd sheep out on the road, so got to watch for that. But yeah, so yeah, no, just recently actually got gifted these jeans here that I'm wearing, and they've got some built-in knee pads, which are really cool, give me a bit of extra confidence going around the corners. And the person who gifted them to me is also going to be putting them up for sale soon. So if you're in New Zealand and you might want a pair of these, I'll put a little if you comment, I can let you know where to get them from, because they're wicked. You can take the knee pad inserts out, so if you just want to wear them as regular pants, or you can have the knee pads in and use them for riding. You got a little BMW, we'll just keep it chill. Don't really want to be overtaking on these tight little roads, but you know, this thing is pretty weak on the old power. But we're just coming to the end of the road anyway. So yeah, a little sheepy down there. That's how you know this is New Zealand, because they are everywhere. And there's a beautiful view just over those ways. Look at that, wow. So yeah, just cruising around. And yeah, no, I'm really happy with how the channel's going. Like I said in another motovlog video, like I really want to do this as like for a living, you know, like even if I just want to be able to bring the joy of motorcycles to the world and let the world know what New Zealand's got, you know, our awesome roads. People say that New Zealand roads are crap, and they're pretty under-maintained sometimes, but you do find the odd little gem like this. I mean, seriously, like this whole road, like I think there's only like one pothole the whole way up. Like it's really rarely driven because it's a dead end, as you'll see when I come up here. Or just actually just over there, but yeah, it's a dead end. So like you don't really get much traffic, and you can really blast through it and just not have any worries. So yeah, this is my girlfriend's bike, her little VTR. She's wanting to start learning and join the channel actually, because I think it'd be really cool to get her involved, and me and her can do some road trips and stuff like that. And yeah, look at that, man, holy shit, that's such a gorgeous view. You see that on the title of my video as well. Can't get over that one. That's just great. But yeah, no, the scenery is absolutely beautiful here in New Zealand, unmatched in my opinion. Hello cows. But yeah, so I haven't been able to upload too much. I kind of did a lot of videos last weekend, and just, you know, kind of made the most of the sunny weather, but it's been raining lately. So now that it's kind of a really beautiful day, I mean, holy crap. Whew. But yeah, now that it's a really nice day, we can I can get out and do some more videos, which is really cool because this is all I love to do. Spending time with my lady and making motorbike videos. Just adds a bit more enjoyment to it when I feel like I'm kind of sharing this with the world, you know? And I'm not forgetting about you guys in India. Definitely my biggest audience. You make up about 50%, and I really appreciate your guys' comments. You're really engaged, which is awesome. Love hearing from you. Love hearing all your, you know, your advice about the Royal Enfields, as those are like your guys' specialty. You know, they're built there. What a wonderful bike that is. Look at that blue ocean, my god. But yeah, no, there's a few watches from all around the world actually. It's getting kind of cool. There's some in the United States, some in Japan, Brazil, India of course, New Zealand. That's like my second biggest audience. G'day bicycle. And yeah, it's really cool seeing like everybody sort of engaging this, and it, you know, just kind of bringing New Zealand to the world stage a little bit, which I really love, eh? Bit of a patriot. God, I love this country. So yeah, we're currently kind of going through a bit of COVID bullcrap at the moment, and you know, just kind of struggling through that. Our main city centre, Auckland, the biggest city in New Zealand, is still in level 4 lockdown. The rest of the country is down to level 2, which means we can freely go into shops and takeaways. We just have to wear like a mask and all that, and sort of limited numbers when you have gatherings, but it's nothing too bad. But yeah, no, poor Auckland, they're struggling at the moment. I know I've got a few viewers out there, so my condolences that you can't be getting on your bikes at the moment. Although I would say break the rules, because seriously, it's the safest time to ride is in a lockdown, and you're not really spreading corona if you're just sitting on the saddle, in my opinion. So yeah, sneak out, because seriously, no cars, man, makes it awesome. But yeah, no, the decline of this hill is a little bit more sketchy than going up, to be honest, because it's a bit easy to lose traction on a downhill. You know, you carry a bit more speed and things like that. Man, I'm so surprised about how this bike handles though. I'm really shocked by it. I cannot believe it's 18 years old. It's so fun to ride, and it just feels so capable. It's a 250 for God's sake. I mean, it really flies. And that V-twin just sounds so cool. If you haven't already checked it out, check out my review for this bike and other reviews, the Enfield, the KTM. Give the KTM some love. It's definitely missing out a little bit. But, you know, that's all good. Not as popular as the old Interceptor 650. I don't blame him. It's a beautiful bike. But yeah, no. So let me know how you guys are going. It's been really cool, you know, like, I just love hearing from everybody. And so yeah, let me know how you are, what you want to see, because I'm going to be doing few more like sort of further out road trips and doing some more hidden gems of New Zealand and some beautiful other beautiful back roads. I'm just keeping it local lately to kind of respect the old COVID-19 rules as they are. But once all this shit kind of gets lifted and all that, we'll be able to really ramp up the channel. And I will be getting my full license, like I said in another video, so I'll be running out way more powerful bikes in the near future, and we can have some real fun with them. But yeah, now if anybody has a VTR 50 watching this and you haven't upgraded your levers, so I've got like some little adjustable ones on there because my girlfriend's hands are a little bit smaller and the stock ones are a little bit far out, but these things are a godsend. I cannot believe how much they've changed the ease of ride on this bike. Like the brake responsiveness and the clutch control is so much better with some aftermarket levers, and these are super high quality. And they were like 40 bucks, and they're really good quality. Like, they don't look cheap, they don't feel cheap, you know. Good old Skyline there. And they've really improved the rideability of this bike. It's making it so much easier to shift and things like that. It makes it a lot of fun, and they're nice and short, so you can use like a 2-finger or 3-finger clutch pull. Same with brake. And yeah, adjust them to how far or close you want them. Yeah, they're really universal. So yeah, I will be filming a tutorial on how to install these too, for the people that don't know. It's a pretty easy job, but sometimes you just got to watch a video to kind of give you that peace of mind that you know you're doing the right thing and you're not going to make a mistake or anything like that. So I've already fitted these. I filmed it the first time, but the local birds were not being very friendly, and they were so loud that they actually drowned out my voice. In the video all you can hear is chirping. So when I do upload that video, I'll put a little snippet of the first shooting of that, and it's a bit of a laugh, you know. I'm just getting drowned out by like 150 birds, you know. It's pretty funny because my old man, he loves his little native birds and all that, and he feeds them. And I decided to film the video at the time that he was feeding the birds, like a genius. And yeah, it kind of ruined the video because all you can hear is tweeting and nothing about what I'm saying about installing these levers. So that video will be out, just a little tutorial. I'm sure most of you know how to do it, but for the people that don't, it'll be handy. And yeah, God, I love these roads out Welcome Bay, man. They really know how to make a wind, that's for sure. Chop down, run through. And yeah, if you're curious about the setup that I'm using a GoPro Hero 9 with a media mod. You can also get the media mod with a Hero 8. And then I've just got like a cheap $30 mic that it's like externally, and it plugs right into the media mod and just slips inside my helmet here, and that's how I can get the old voice audio. It's a real sort of budget setup. It's not the best, but it does the job pretty well for like a beginner anyway. I'm definitely going to be upgrading my my setup like as I go along and get more money behind me and stuff, but I'm just keeping it on the cheap side. The things I splashed out on are the camera and the laptop for being able to edit video. But I will be getting a better audio setup soon. But it seems to be working pretty fine for now. Can't complain with a $30 external mic. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, support the channel, check out the other videos if you haven't. And yeah, there will be more videos coming soon of some different things. I'm going to try and come up with some different ideas, some fun things that me and the old man can do, and me and the missus will be going on some little road trips and stuff, so we'll document that, film a bit of the riding, film a bit of the scenic attractions, and you know, the interactions between me and her. We're pretty funny together. She's a good laugh, always cracking jokes and stuff like that. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. This is Vinny from RoadBlastMedia.